Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your online presence with LinkedIn, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a professional LinkedIn account. Visit the LinkedIn website and click on the Join Now button. Fill in your name, email address, and a strong password. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, click on Add Profile section to enhance your profile. Begin by adding a professional photo that represents you well. Select a background image that complements your personal brand. Write a compelling headline that summarizes your professional identity. In the About section, provide a brief summary of your career and aspirations. Highlight key skills that are relevant to your profession. Add your work experience, including job titles, companies, and responsibilities. Engage with LinkedIn's recommendations feature by asking colleagues for endorsements. Join industry-related groups to expand your network and gain insights. Share valuable content related to your field to establish thought leadership. Use LinkedIn's publishing platform to write articles that showcase your expertise. Regularly monitor your connections and make an effort to connect with influencers in your field. Maintain an active presence by commenting on posts and participating in discussions. Stay consistent with your brand image, ensuring that your profile aligns with your professional goals. As you grow, continuously update your profile with new achievements and projects. Utilize LinkedIn Analytics to understand your profile's performance and adjust strategies accordingly. Set aside time each week to engage with your connections. Remember, your online presence can significantly influence career opportunities. Take control of your LinkedIn profile and watch your professional network expand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.